The next technique is called leaping crane. Now, in this technique, you're going to learn how to use a parry to accommodate your opponent's force. You're going to borrow his force. You're going to parry him and redirect him. But as we do this, too, I want you to understand that your strike that we're going to deliver is also going to be fueled by the way the opponent's coming at you. And you'll see what I mean. Okay? With the help of Tim. Okay, Tim starts in a left neutral bow. My feet are together. He's coming through with a straight right punch. Now that's what we're dealing with. Now what we're going to do is we're going to leap off into a crane position standing on one leg. As we leap off, the bottom hand, or the hand that's draping down from point of origin, is going to rake across the ribs. We're going to try and catch that floating rib. Now I want you to use a right middle knuckle, and this is a right inward horizontal rake. A raking motion also gouges as it hits its target. Now as he punches, if you watch, go ahead. That part of his body is being turned into your strike. So that's going to amplify the damage to his ribs. The harder he punches, the worse this is going to be for him. All right. Now, a little faster punch. All right, we're going to parry. Okay, and as we parry, we're going to try and redirect enough of his motion so that we can bust the rib. Now, the power of this strike is amplified by my leg, and I'll tell you why. What happens is that as my leg moves across, it helps feed the arm, okay? Because both parts of my body, both sides of my body are in sync. Now watch again. He shoots the punch, we break the rib. Now right from the rib, we're gonna buckle the back of his right leg with a side kick from here, okay? And you could still be on one leg because you may want to use that leg again, depending upon where you are. Now watch it from this angle. We make our parry and bust the rib. Watch again. Now watch how this leg feeds. All right, it comes up. Now we buckle him. You notice that when you kick him, it starts to turn the kidney to be in line with the back knuckle. The parry's still up, so I can plant and strike with the back knuckle here, which will arch his back. And then I can do an inward elbow with a sandwich to the back of his head. Let's try it again. So we parry, kick, back knuckle, and sandwich. Make sure that when you move in for the back knuckle that your knee is checking right at his tailbone. Now if he tries to get up, go ahead. Just lean a little bit there, and that'll control his height. Thank you, Tim.